Hey boys and girls, a buddy of mine that I know has a GFX 100. Here we go, beautiful camera. I'm still waiting to get my GFX 100. Came down, he actually got a really dirty sensor. I'm gonna do a sensor cleaning, but one of the important things, and I haven't mentioned it for over a year, is that something basically 99.9% of nobody ever does, is that they actually have to treat their body cap and their rear cap for their lenses like an operating room. Like you're gonna cut somebody open, you wouldn't want dust and schmutz, you know, on the surgical tools that you're going to operate on. And what actually happens is, people don't think about it, they usually put these in their pocket, but whether they do or don't, it ends up getting dirty. And what happens when you actually take this dirty rear cap from your pocket or from wherever and you put it back on the lens, it transfers from the cap to the lens, the rear of the lens, into the body. And this sensor is actually really dirty. I've actually already cleaned these before starting the video, but this is a serious issue as far as getting stuff on your sensor. Nobody wants schmutz and dust and fur balls. Actually, the body cap on this one was really dirty. Actually, the guy that's filming me, I'm just gonna give his first name, Sal. I don't want to reveal his identity. He's an awesome guy. Say, hey, Sal.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, man? He drove all the way down from Tampa, which is 2 hours away. Already cleaned the rear lens, but before, when I actually saw the dirt and stuff on the fur balls, not literally fur balls, but kind of sort of on the sensor, I knew immediately before he pulled the lens out where it was coming from. It was coming from the rear cap and or body cap. It doesn't make any difference because they both transfer to the sensor. And as soon as I pulled it off, I was like, whoa! So make sure, please, tip of the day, if you got a camera, specifically also, very importantly, so a mirrorless camera, that you keep these surgically clean. And also too, obviously so, you know, the rear of your lens. This is also still dirty. I've blown a lot of stuff off of it, but I'm gonna clean this in a second. Thank you so much for watching, and now I'm gonna do a sensor cleaning on the GFX 100.